Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on Everydollar account. If you want to add an extra layer of security on your Everydollar account and you'd like to enable the two-factor authentication, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in everydollar.com and search. You will then find yourself in the main homepage of Everydollar. Make sure that you're signed into your account like you normally would, and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. Once you're inside the main homepage of Everydollar account, from the main homepage, click on the settings button at the bottom left corner. Inside the settings menu, click on manage your account on the right. Now you'll end up in this account overview page, where you can simply click on the set up two-factor authentication option under two-factor authentication. First of all, you'll need to verify your password, so go ahead and enter your password in the text box and click verify password. Now click on turn on two-factor authentication. Click on complete 2FA enrollment and you will then be asked to verify with your two-factor authentication code every time you sign into your account from now onwards. In order to enable two-factor authentication, you'll need to provide your phone number as well. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and select your country code and then enter your phone number in the text box. And finally, click on the blue button to move forward. Now, every time you sign into your account, you will be asked to enter the verification code, which will be sent to you via SMS. Enter the code that you received and click on the next button. Now, in case you ever need to log in without your device, then you will need a recovery code. So make sure you keep this recovery code secure, somewhere else safe, and then click on this little box to ensure that you have safely recorded the code. Now finally click the blue button and you will be able to enable two-factor authentication on your Everydollar account. So that is how you can easily enable two-factor authentication on Everydollar. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.